A zoo in southwest China's Chongqing municipality is giving people the chance to feed some of the world's most ferocious animals on their own. The visitors switch places with the animals, locked inside a wire mesh cage and offering food to lions, tigers, and bears through a small opening. Visitors can also feed the animals from the safety of special cars that have been reinforced with double-layer fencing or armored glass. One brave visitor fed this bear apples and then touched it on the forehead with the car window wide open. The cars are also equipped with forked pole arms to fend off any possible attack.
What is he doing? Don't put your tongue on it for real, okay?
He's actually swallowed.
Oh my god. Oh fuck. 이거랑 얘 사지 마. Se paga?
Cred că da. Vamos ne atrag atenția. Nu, își marchează teritoriul. Vezi?
Așa?
Da, da, așa.
Here's what that apple looks like. That's insane. Oh my gosh.
Keep turning.
There he is. Grace. Gracie, look at mommy.
He's rubbing.
He's not hungry.
Poor Kate.
It'll sink all the way to the bottom. But if there's air in it, it'll stay on top. It's over here, honey. If you go over here, you can see really well. Right there. Yeah, but the polar bear is right in front of you.
Okay.
Come here. Say, go to your mummy and sit down now, Rocco. Come here. You know that's a noise elephants make.
Shanti, what's your start? Sekarang kita boleh dengar bahawa Shanti yang masuk rindu.
Hey, super.
Oh yeah, got a good one. Yeah. Okay, guys.
What now?
These are monkeys. These are monkeys. I think you're knock it over. I think I knock it over.
Oh my goodness. Let me take care of this a second.
What is that? I can't see the cheetah. I can't see.
Yeah.
I can't see it. Uh-oh.
No, I just heard it. Like, you know what? Right here.
Step on it.
Yeah, but the polar bear is right in front of you.
Lots of toys to play with.
아,
il vient, viens.
Il va manger, tu regardes.
Ouais, je l'ai pris. Ça va,